So your Android phone has basically three modes when it comes to sounds and vibration. You can have the sound on, you can set it to vibrate only, and then there's mute. But when you have your sounds on, you can also choose whether you'd like to have vibration with the sound or if you want just the sound without vibration. To change this, we'll go to Settings and then go to Sounds and Vibration. Different phones will show a slightly different menu here, and I'll show you another example in a second. But on a Samsung phone, you'll have your three main options up top: sound, vibrate, and mute. And when I choose the sound on option, there's a toggle underneath allowing me to choose if I want my phone to also vibrate when it's ringing. Besides the toggle, I can also scroll down a bit in my sound settings and go to System Vibration to set the intensity for any vibration that's coming from system-related actions. And I'll also have toggles here allowing me to turn vibration on or off for specific functions. If you're using a Pixel, Motorola, or other phone that uses stock Android, your options will look slightly different. I'll go to Settings and then Sounds and Vibration. And here we have a separate menu for vibration and haptics. There, you'll see a big toggle on the very top that allows you to turn vibration and haptics on or off. And below, you'll see a variety of sliders allowing you to set the vibration intensity for different categories. So adjust these to your liking, and you'll have either lots of vibration or no vibration while your sound is on, whatever you prefer. And that's how you set vibration on Android. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more. Thanks all. Until next time.